Use sign in and sign out, not log in and log out. People are already familiar with the idea of signing in everyday life, whether it's at a meeting, a clinic, or an office. Signing in is a real-world action. Logging in, on the other hand, comes from ship logs and has nothing to do with modern users. Your audience is very unlikely to be 18th century sailors. Even so, many products, especially B2B software built by developers, still use login or worse, log on. For clarity and familiarity, always use sign in and sign out consistently. These terms feel natural because they mirror real-world behavior. Unless you're building an app for time-traveling pirates, there's no reason not to. Sign up feels better than register. Sign up or join sounds human and welcoming. Register feels formal, cold, and compulsory. Most users don't want to create yet another account. It's another password, another inbox full of emails, and another hurdle. While accounts are often necessary, labeling the action as register makes the experience feel unfriendly. Sign up pairs naturally with sign in and creates a consistent, approachable language throughout your product. Use consistent icons. Mixing icon styles creates confusion. Choose a single visual language and stick to it, even if that means creating custom icons. Consistency reduces cognitive effort and helps users instantly recognize controls. Emoji are the world's most recognized icons. Emoji are widely understood, cross-platform, and instantly familiar. For simple interactions, they can be extremely effective, even for users with limited literacy. They won't fit every product, but they're worth considering as part of your visual language. Don't harass users for ratings. Users don't open your app to rate it. Full-screen rating prompts interrupt workflows and serve your goals, not theirs. If users care, they'll leave feedback voluntarily.